Hey everyone, this is Berenice here at the Napping Mouse, and in today's video I'm going to show you this album that I just created about a few days ago, and I wanted to do a flip through actually, and probably I'm going to do a tutorial on this, but for now I'm just going to show you what I did. And I'm still using the Deluxe Collector's Edition from Graphic 45. This is the Olde Curiosity Shoppe, and this is just a quick fun little album here. I did have some stamens over here that I've added, that I have in my collection, so I added to this. I put some twine, and I had these flowers over here. These are paper flowers, and I decided to use the main page, the cover page for this. So yeah, and then on the side I added kind of like these little tags that I created. These are the chipboards, and I went ahead and glued some paper in the back, trimmed it, and then inked the edges and added these, and same thing over here, and I just tied this with the same twine that I have over here. Okay, so when you open up the book, here's the first page, and these are flip throughs here. So I've got a flip through here, just a simple one, added some of the ephemera. This one I had cut and left the back the way it is because I like the page. Did add a pocket over here. For this particular one, I did add a matting in the back, so got that. And then the second page is this. It's a flip through that flips to the right, and I did add pockets. So I've saved this one over here with the butterflies, and then I've got the postcard here, and you can add a picture in the back over there, or it's kind of hard to write on it, but any kind of things that you want to write, but you have a place here to add a lot of pictures. Okay, then we're going to flip through to the second page, and then we've got this one that flips to the left, and then another pocket over here with one of the ephemera pages. This one over here, I decided to create it as a tag, and it does fit into this pocket. And I added some of, these are all extra ribbons that I had in my stash that I just didn't throw away. So I have thought that the colors went well with this particular paper collection, so I went ahead and did that. This I decided to leave it plain. This flips up, and then you've got two spaces over here, and then there is the back side. Yeah, pretty simple and easy to make, and then gave a lot of room here to add more ephemera or any other thing like pictures or anything to make it stand. But this does measure an inch here, and oh, I forgot to give you the measurements of this particular album. It is 4 by 6, and here is an inch. Okay, well, let me know what you think. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm planning on doing a tutorial on this. It was a simple project, and I've got all the dimensions, so it's going to go pretty quickly anyway. So yeah, in the future I'll do it, but for now this is a flip through. Well, thank you so much for watching, and if you did like this project, please hit the like button, and also I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. So I will see you next time. Okay, take it easy. Bye-bye.